Hey, hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm up on the roof today. I've decided after many years of pondering and leaking and not getting it together to afford a new roof that I would just go ahead and do it myself. I first decided I would do this little section here, see how it goes, and then do the rest. But removing the gravel turned out to be so much easier than I thought it might be. But I'm going ahead and removing all. I already removed the top layer of gravel, and now I'm removing the bottom layer with dirt in it with the broom to get down to the under layer. I think I'm just gonna. My plan is to run a new framework up here with a little bit of a lift down the center in a T down the two centers, and then redeck it and cover it in silicone, hopefully. So I look forward to getting it done. It's been on my mind for a long time. It's going to move forward lots. I'm also going to pull the parapet off of here, and so I can finish my Porch edition that I started some years ago now over there. And I'm going to use a lot of the gravel that I'm pulling off here to finish my walkway under this brick walkway I'm going to do. Although it's a little round, so I'm still going to have to mix it with some fines, but also it's going to make excellent tire filling for insulative tire wall over on the other side for a little Porch edition I have in mind over there. So let me know if you have any questions. That's just kind of a quick rundown, a quick show you what I'm up to. I'll be able to speak a lot more about it when I'm through, obviously, but I welcome your questions now if you got any or comments. And as always, you can find other ways of connecting with me in the description. And until next time, I wish you love, laughter, lightheartedness, peaceful conflict resolution, amazing adventures. Don't forget to play every day and drive forward.